Today I'm gonna make slime. Now I'm gonna make clear slime. So pour some glue. All you really need for slime. Well, I'm making slime with tights, so now I will make it this. I'm almost out. So. It's a bummer because I'm almost out of that color. It's like my favorite. Ooh. I'm using Tide activators, so. It's starting to activate. That should be enough activator. I just need to let it activate now. Kind of let it sit for a while. It's kind of turning into slime now. I love this color. So yeah. Knead it. Okay guys, so now it's pretty much kneaded. Now what I need to do is put it out on the table and play with it. I'll grab a piece. Got one. So yeah, I think that turned out well. That is how to make slime. Hope you enjoyed.